Yo, what is up, guys? Welcome back to another video of the How to Make Donut series. Sorry it's been a while. I've been busy with exams and things, so yeah, deal with it. But I'm back, should be posting regularly at least. Um, I am posting a lot on my gaming channel. Can check that out. Link is gonna be down below. But okay, so what we gonna do? We done with the donut in this episode. So what we gonna do is I'm gonna show you how to render it. So um obviously here's our donut, and then here's the camera. Um, Let me just get out of this mode real quick. It's the camera. You can move it around and things, and then if you press the button under escape and say view camera, this little box will show everything inside of it when you go render and render image. Then yeah, as you can see, I've rendered everything inside the box. So we want to have a camera above our donut so we can take picture of it. That's one up, and then that should be fine. Let's see. Oh, that's a way off. Never mind. It's a bit tricky sometimes with the camera to get the positioning right. But you will get used to it. Like there, I can't seem to get this right. Okay, let's see. That is okay, so we have to move it a bit back. Okay, a bit back. Okay, I'm an idiot. It's not a bit back. It's That's why I don't know what I'm doing right now. Let's just move it a bit to that side, and then this a bit up, and then it should be perfect. It's like that, and then yeah, that's fine. The whole donut isn't in frame, but I've already rendered my image, so yeah, I understood that. For example, as you can see, our donut is here and at the image, so that's the camera. And then the reason we made this donut, or one of the reasons, is we would want to put it in a game we are making. So for that, you want to say file, then export, then go to export, and then say FBX. I did this quite a lot, so just ignore this untitled FBX. I just wanted to make sure it was working, and then oh yeah, there's one thing I need to show you. So for this, you want to go click on your donut and then click on the base of your donut. So they are both selected. This will show Blender that you only want the icing and the base to be selected and exported to Unity. So what's that thing now? Yeah, there. So what you wanna do, we selected the base and the icing. So now you wanna selected objects over here, and then you wanna say empty lamp. Yeah, let's copy the settings, and then for the scale, you can make whatever you want. I just made it 0.10 because I thought it was a bit big being 1. Then apply units, use space transform, those are selected on default. And then you don't want to apply transform, then say export FBA, then go to your Unity. As you can see, I'm in a 3D FPS tutorial world. So let me delete this one real quick. And then as you can see, there is a donut where you put. So wait, I didn't explain this part. So in files, you are gonna have to find your Unity project. So you will want to name it something. That is a project for another file, but I'm just gonna use this as an example. You want to find your project and then so name it something or attach it to the cross to this thing, like let's drag it on here, and then what you wanna do, open up assets, and then you that's click import FBA file, and then it should import. So yeah, and then in Unity it should be a donut. The icing isn't on top, but you just gotta like drag it on top. It's just weird like that for some reason. I don't know why. And as you can see, uh, uh, toppings aren't different colors. I don't know how to fix that, so for Unity, just do it manually. But we don't have to go and put one color on every icing manually like that. We can select, press shift, and then go to first open up the torrent where your toppings are. I can't think of the words under saying toppings. And then you wanna select all of them, and then choose one color, or you can choose multiple colors. Or this take a bit longer, and then drag it on there, and then yeah, as you can see, I should have made it light blue, but anyway, as you can see, it's there for an example. So yeah, now we have a nice donut in Unity. You can make it walk around with something. Okay, so Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and peace.